Namaste, sister.
Namaste.
What is your name, sister?
Seema Rohil.
Seema ji, where are you from?
Sikar, Rajasthan.
Okay, we would like to ask you one thing. When did you take initiation from Saint Rampal ji?
Sir, 23rd February 2014.
What spiritual practices were you following before taking initiation from Saint Rampal ji Maharaj?
Just as ordinary people do, we did the same worship from the very beginning. We used to worship the same deities, Lord Hanuman and Lord Shiva. Whatever our parents did, we did the same.
Why did you take initiation from Saint Rampal ji Maharaj ji?
Because I used to be very sick, so I took initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj.
What was the disease? What happened to you?
Sir, my soul trembles when I remember my story. I want to tell you that I had such a problem that I wasted lakhs of rupees on this problem, yet I did not get any relief.
What illness did you have and what did you do?
My illness was not known. When I went to an exorcist, he said that I had a spirit in me. When I went to the doctors, they said she has piles. My loose motions were so frequent that I used to bleed with loose motions 10 times a day, 10 times a night. I was losing a lot of blood, a lot. I had become so weak. Someone said she has piles. Someone said she has 3 ghosts in her. Someone said she has got an evil eye. We got everything done. Tried incantation, got treatment for piles, got injections on my back. I got them too. But my problem kept increasing and I got no relief. Then we went to the goddess Kali temple. They said that if we want to save her liver, then she must eat goat's liver. I said, okay, I will eat that too. If my condition gets better, I can eat that too. I ate the liver of goat for 4 days and goat meat for 5 days. Yet I could not get any relief and my problems get increased even further. When I was taken to the hospital, they told that I have TB. So I ate TB medicines for 2 months and I became very weak, was unable to walk anymore. I was admitted in Sikar hospital as I was about to die, and the hospital staff said that she just has 28 kg weight and you are giving her high dosage of medicines. She will die. My husband and father were told to take me to Jaipur hospital. If you wouldn't take her to the hospital, she wouldn't be alive. If you take her to Jaipur in 1 hour, then she can survive. They took me to Jaipur hospital in an hour and I was admitted to ICU and also transfused blood. I gained conscious in 2 to 3 days. In the checkup, it was found that there is swelling and blister in my intestine. So I was admitted for 18 days and 1 lakh rupees were deposited against the hospital's name in bank. After 18 days, we came home after taking leave. On the way back, we met an exorcist. He asked what problem I had. My husband told him my problems. So he said, I will cure her completely. She will start walking on her own in 3 days.
What does your husband do?
My husband is in the army. He's on duty in army.
You get an exorcist on the way. When you were getting treatment in a hospital already, then why did you get a treatment done by an exorcist?
He said, I take a guarantee that I will cure her in 3 days. At the same time, he spoke some words and gave me some water to drink, and immediately I was able to move my head. And my husband believed that he would cure me.
Did the tantric exorcist cure you?
No, I was well for a month, and after 1 month, again the same loose motion, bleeding started. We had thrown the medicines we got from the hospital by disposing 1 lakh rupees and we did not go to the hospital again. An exorcist had said that I have removed all ghosts which were in her.
So why didn't you get your treatment in a big hospital?
Sir, My husband is in the army and we also had money. So he said that there is a civil hospital here, there will be good treatment here. Finally, one of his colleagues in the army told him that why are you getting looted here? Go to Delhi and have a better treatment in R&R hospital. We arrived at the R&R hospital on 1st January 2010. The doctor, without any examinations, based on my condition, said that you are late and you will have to take this medicine throughout your life. Nevertheless, they did my endoscopy, colonoscopy as well. I have also brought both the reports with me. They examined my stomach by putting in the pipe and found out that my intestine has been damaged and now there is no cure. You will have to eat medicines throughout your life. Your life will be continued like this only. Same problems with those medicines. I used to get a little relief. Then in 2011, my loose motions and bleeding increased. I had fever for 10 days in a row, 25 days a month, and I would be in the hospital and 5 days at home. I had injections worth rupees lakh each given to me. From 2011 to 2012, I had 19 injections. One injection was worth rupees lakh. I had less blood and had up to 21 units of blood transfusion before 2014, and my blood type is also O negative. It did not give me any relief. Then all India medical team was called in and 35 doctors came to see me. They checked me from morning till evening and said if you are giving her injections worth rupees 1 lakh and she is not getting any relief even from them, then she can't be cured. We cannot even operate her. We cannot remove her intestine because she is very young. Also, another intestine cannot be inserted and she cannot manage without intestine as well. The treatment and injections that are going on are the only best options and there is no other cure. And after that, my condition got worse. I had severe fever and infection as the intestine was already damaged. I learned so much while admitted in the hospital that I used to give injections to others as I used to be there 25 days in a month. In 2013 too, I got injections of 10,000 which caused reactions and injections for 1 lakh were effective for a few days, about 20 to 25 days and then the same problem would start. In 2013, my husband was told that we have done every treatment that we could have done. The injections and the antibiotics are not working anymore. So you can take her to whatever want. We did the treatment we were supposed to do. She will not survive. At any time, her intestine may burst, but she can die any time. You can take her anywhere, whatever treatment we were to do, we have done that.
Sister, topmost 35 doctors of all India had checked you. And they had also told your husband that now they had done whatever treatment was possible and there is no option left for her and there is no cure for her. Then what did you do after that? And how did you come to the shelter of Saint Rampal Ji Maharaj Ji?
I was admitted, and doctors had told my husband that she would die. You can imagine what one goes through when he's told that his wife is about to die. He had gone to one side of the same hospital to buy medicines. There was a Bhagat, an army man. He asked my husband, why you look sad? My husband said, I am very unhappy and my wife has such problems. The doctors have given up too. What should I do now? I will try to serve her as much as I can as neither I nor the doctors can save her. He told my husband to go to Barwala Ashram and watch the program on Sadhna channel from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m.
Whose program was it?
Satsang of Saint Rampalji Maharaj Ji comes from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. You said that and you should go there on my request, he said. My husband said, "Friend, I have been to a lot of such saints and lost faith in all the gods and goddesses. I have gone everywhere. God is not there. But okay, I will go there on your request if she can survive." We listened the satsang, understood the knowledge. Then my husband said, "Let's go to the Barwala ashram." They took me to the ashram in a car. They said in the ashram that you will be given these mantras and these are the rules. Then we took the initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj.
So after taking initiation from Saint Rampalji, was your illness cured? Which even the topmost 35 doctors of all India could not cure.
After taking initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj, I got so many benefits that I cannot even explain. I have received many benefits. Immediately after taking initiation from Saint Rampalji, my entire problem was cured. The doctors had said that she will not survive, and my stomach had burst. The doctors were saying that she could not be operated as she did not have the right age. I had 28 kg weight. It has increased from 28 kg to 54 kg. You can estimate how much relief I have got. I had an operation after that lasted for 8 hours. The same doctor who were saying that her intestine was damaged and she will die, the same doctor had come for the operation, and the doctors themselves were surprised to see how such a big miracle happened. Her entire intestine was damaged. How could her intestine be like a 16-year-old girl? It's a miracle. The biggest surprise is that my whole intestine was damaged, and with it, I was pregnant. And I have a healthy daughter.
The report in your hand, which report is this? First, show your report.
This is a report from R&R Hospital from 2010 to 2012, and it is from my colonoscopy, and the doctor told me that my whole intestine has been damaged. I have brought that report.
Show your report on our camera.
See how my intestine was damaged from inside, how blisters are there. It is blood. This report is from 2010 and this is from 2012.
Is this the report of the army hospital?
Yes, this is Army Hospital near Dhola Kuan, R&R in Delhi, Kent.
Which doctor has done the treatment?
Dr. Colonel Rahul Jain.
Now introduce your daughter. Keep this report aside and raise your daughter and introduce her to our audience. How old is your daughter now?
She is my daughter and she is 3.5 years old and is very healthy. She is healthy by the grace of Saint Rampalji Maharaj.
Yes, it is also a matter of surprise that your intestine is outside. It is torn out. Yet you have lifted your daughter in your lap like this. How much does she weigh?
Her weight was 16 kg when I had checked last time, but due to the blessing of Saint Rampalji Maharaj, I do not feel at all that I have kept her in my lap, and I do not feel that my intestines are also outside.
Please keep her down. Actually, we are afraid that your intestine are outside. Yet, how are you lifting so much weight, and it is a surprise in itself that after taking initiation from Saint Rampalji Maharaj, your daughter who was in your womb is safe and is with you too. From 3 years, you are completely healthy. What would you like to tell the devotee society? What would you like to tell about Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
I would like to tell the devotee society that I request with folded hands to the brothers and sisters who are listening to the satsang of Saint Rampalji. Whoever is giving the book, they are मनुष्य जन्म दुर्लभ है, मिले न बारंबार, जैसे तरवर से पत्ता टूट गिरे, बुर ना लगता दार. We get human life once in 84,000 births, and that is to do correct worship, not to waste it in just raising children, which even the animals do.
See, both you and your daughter were saved from the jaws of death, and you say that it happened with the blessings of Saint Rampalji. But Saint Rampalji Maharaj is in jail. What would you like to say about that?
Whatever he is, Saint Rampalji Maharaj stays with us every moment. Instead, we are the ones in jail. Saint Rampalji stays with us.
What would you like to say about the allegations against him?
All those are false accusations. When we request the government to order a CBI investigation for our cases, why don't they order CBI investigation? If we are wrong, then hang us.
See, you were associated with Saint Rampalji Maharaj only for a short time when he went to jail, and even then you have so much devotion towards Saint Rampalji Maharaj. You have so much faith in him. What is the reason behind this?
Sir, I would like to say, what does a leper want? Healthy body. What the poor need? Money. And those who are physically and financially distressed, Saint Rampalji Maharaj ji has complete spiritual treatment for all of them.
Your husband, who didn't believe at first, who was not a believer, he had become an atheist in a way. He did not believe that there is God. There is no such things as God. What does he believe today when you are completely cured now?
Now he has more faith than me that Saint Rampalji is God. There is God everywhere. God is with me as well. Saint Rampalji Maharaj is always with us and he has more faith than me.
What more would you like to say about Saint Rampalji Maharaj?
I want to request that Saint Rampalji Maharaj has come, take initiation from him and get your welfare done.
Thank you.
Thank you.